how to make text transparent on Canva. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about this design platform called Canva. Now what we're going to do today is how to make your text transparent. As you can see here on our example, I'm going to teach you how you could do this effect on your Canva. So what you're going to do first is of course go to text and click on whatever text styles that you would like to have. And we're going to create a text. We're going to have the text burger, just like that. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. I'm going to put it in the center over here, make it bigger just like that. And we're going to select a font for our text over here. We're going to go with prompt bold, just like that. And we're going to make it bigger once again. Now after this, you're going to turn this color to white or whatever color that you would like to have. And you're going to click on Alt and then drag it over here. We're going to use this later on. We're first going to do this. Click on the burger, click on position, and put it to back, just like that. And now for this one, we're going to click on effects, click on the hollow, and just like that, we have a hollowed, and we're going to drag it over our burger. And as you can see, we now have a transparent effect on our text. The same thing as here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.